My name is Stephane Levac. I took the barista course and the business class because I'm planning to open a cafe. I found the business class very informative and in-depth. The barista class was amazing. I love the small classes. The attention that you get in the one-on-one is fantastic. Both my trainers were amazing. Yeah, I really enjoyed the experience. Absolutely recommend the course to both baristas and the business class to anybody who wants to open a cafe. I think it's vital information. Everything was great.
Nice. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Thank you.